Hey guys, so I just picked up the Wanhao D7 SLA 3D printer. I've been looking to get into SLA 3D printing myself for a while. I've been doing FDM printing for the past couple of years, and so I figured why not document the process of unboxing and getting things set up and just kind of seeing what is it like going from FDM to SLA as a brand new user. So let's get to unboxing. So initial impressions on the printer, I'm actually overall really impressed. I expected this cover to be plastic and it turns out it's actually all metal. So this has a really nice feel and weight to it. And the printer itself, it's a lot heftier than I expected. So this has a really nice build quality overall. I'm definitely impressed at the price point. This is the build plate. So this is the only issue I have at this point. It seems that in shipping, the build plate got damaged. You can tell it's kind of tilted a little bit and actually prevents the alignment piece here from hardly even moving. I can kind of wiggle it free. There we go. But really, in reality, this should be very easily sliding up and down. But I'm still going to try and put it together with this build plate. If it ends up not working at all, then I might have to hold off on doing any prints until I can get this build plate replaced with a new one. But otherwise, everything is basically what I expected. You've got all the cables that you need to get started. They even give you a nice little scraper there. And you've got the gloves to protect yourself from the resin. So initially, aside from the build plate, it's a pretty good impression overall. And I'm really excited to get this thing going.